Hello everyone, my name is Nirav and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you the complete process of downloading, installing and activating the BricsCAD using an on-lock license. So whether you are a new user, evaluating a BricsCAD or setting up the software in a new system, this video will guide you through every step in a simple and easy to follow manner. So let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Bricsys website. If you already have a Bricsys account, simply sign in using your registered email address and password. If you are a new user, you can create an account first and then proceed with the download. Once logged in successfully, you'll be able to access your download and license information. After logging in, navigate to the BricsCAD download section. Here you can select the appropriate BricsCAD version based on your requirements. Next, select your operating system. In this example, we are downloading the Windows version. Click the download button and wait for the installer package to complete the downloading. Depending on your internet connection speed, this may take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your download folder. Now let's begin the installation. Double-click on the downloaded installer file, and if Windows displays security prompt, click Yes to allow the installer to make the changes to your system. The BricsCAD installation wizard will now launch. Click Next to continue. Review and accept the license agreement and then proceed to the next step. At this stage, you can choose the installation location, but for most the user, the default installation path is recommended. You can also review the installation components if required, and once everything looks good, click Install. The installation process will begin. Please wait while the required files are copied and configured on your computer. And this process typically takes a few minutes depending on your system performance. Now, once the installation is completed successfully, click Finish. BricsCAD is now installed and ready for activation. Now let's launch the application for the first time. When BricsCAD starts for the first time, you will see the activation window. Since we are using a node lock license, select the Activate license. A node lock license is tied to a specific computer and making it ideal for individual user working on a dedicated workstation. Now click the Activate license to continue. BricsCAD will communicate with the Bricsys license server and retrieve the available license. Now, after activation completes successfully, BricsCAD will display the license product information. At this point, the software is fully activated and ready for use. You can verify the license status from the license management sections if required, and this confirms the node lock license has been assigned successfully to this machine. And that's it. We have successfully downloaded, installed, and activated BricsCAD using a node lock license. I hope this video helped you get started quickly and avoid common installation issue. If you found this tutorial useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications so you don't miss our upcoming videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.